How to sign up for Roku TV. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily sign up for a new account on Roku TV. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up any web browser you have and search for Roku login. Once you do that, you will be able to see this link right here, Roku sign in. The URL is my.roku.com, and go ahead and open this up, and it will directly take you to the login portal. If you already have an account, you can directly sign in from here, but if you don't have an account, you can tap on create account. And here you will have to provide your email address first. Once you have done that, go ahead and enter your first name and then your last name as well. Then you will have to create your password, select your birthday, and agree to their terms and conditions. Now once you have done everything, click on this and tap continue. Now here you can choose a pin settings. So if you subscribe, you can rent or buy shows and movies or add apps. You can also choose to subscribe or rent or buy shows and movies, or you can just set it to don't require pin. I'm just going to do that for now. And once you do that, you should be able to log into your account. Now the last step is to actually add a credit card or debit card. So you will only be charged if you subscribe or buy their services. So go ahead and enter your card details here and your billing address. And after doing that, you should be able to log into Roku. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.